Hello everyone, my name is Keisha from Kmo Artsy Journals, and for more art and journal inspiration, you can find me on Instagram and TikTok at that handle. Summer is around the corner, and some of us have plans for travel. So today, we are creating a packing list for summer travel. Creating a packing list can enhance efficiency, reduce anxiety, and can ensure that you're fully prepared for your summer adventures. A packing list is a great strategy for several reasons. The first being is that it keeps you organized. The list will help you avoid things like overpacking and not remembering to pack your most essential items. In this video, I will be sharing what a packing list is, what tools I use to create it, and how I designed the page. So here's what you'll need: an Archer and Olive notebook, your medium of choice, a pencil, and a black fine pen. Now we're going to talk a little bit about what a summer packing list is. A summer packing list is a curated list of items you plan to take on a summer trip, vacation, or outing. It can serve as a guide to ensure that you remember to pack all of your must-have and essentials for your upcoming trip. The following is a list of some essential items that you could consider adding to your list. Now we're going to talk a little bit about how I designed my summer packing list. As I always say, the design of your list or your projects is really up to you. However, I'm using a check-off method, and I have chosen to highlight the following. As you can see, I have pre-sketched my packing list, and now I'm adding a little watercolor to add a personal touch. Another tip when creating your packing list is it can be really helpful to consider the activities you will be doing and the locations you will be visiting. For example, if the destination has a warmer climate, you may decide to pack lightweight garments such as shorts, tank tops, and swimwear. Now I'm moving on to the checklist portion of the packing list, starting with clothing. I've added a little t-shirt icon for a fun extra touch. Next up is toiletries. Moving on to tech items. Next up is health. Moving on to entertainment. And finally, travel documents. Now I'm adding details. Now that everything is dry, we are ready to erase all of the pencil marks and clean things up. And we're done. Thank you so much for checking out my tips on making your very own summer packing list. I hope that you have found some inspiration in this video. Be sure to check out the free printable available with the blog, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.